Well, today you join me in the Milbank snug, an area of comfort and relaxation for all Milbank employees to sit back and relax during their hard working day. And also, as you pan round, you'll see the wonderful facilities provided by our canteen and with our new chef. Anyway, let's go off and see what's been happening this week at Milbank. So last week we were outside and we looked at the silo that contains the wood pellets for the biomass boiler. The biomass boiler in turn then heats up the water, and then that water is pumped in pipework underneath the beds here that I'm walking along, and that is where we cast the beams for the beam and block and the hollow core, or the two options that we manufacture as pre-stressed concrete. So as I come up, the bed to my right, your left, we have just extruded the beams that we use for the beam and block flooring. Now they also happen to be the same beams that we use for what we call our WarmFloor Pro system. The WarmFloor Pro is where the blocks are replaced with polystyrene, and then there's a polystyrene top layer that goes on. This can give a greater performance as part of a solution for a greater insulated build. Therefore, it can cut costs. The polystyrene that we use is 100% recyclable as well. Okay, so we come back this week to our new extension for our service area for servicing the machines in the pre-stress shed, and we can see things have moved on. The mott has been put down to bring up the level, and the foundation trenches have been put down for the blockwork walls to separate the areas. The DPC has been put down and the blockwork walls are being built out for the outside area. And then we're going to wait for the slab of concrete to be poured on afterwards. So now I'm inside our new extension. I showed this to you before. This is the extension that we're having built so we can be more efficient when it comes to maintenance for our machinery that we use in our pre-stress shed. The pre-stress being the beams for the beam and block and for the hollow core. So this area I'm in now is where the gantry crane will lift the machines into. The area to my left, your right, is where the parts will be worked on once taken off those machines. And then closer to me here is where the stores will be. This will save maintenance having to be done in the actual factory, and it can actually be done here in a safer, more efficient way. And now you find me in our precast yard. And look, a beautiful, wide, fantastic Callisto staircase. Very special. But also, note the corbel detail, the extended tread about halfway down on the staircase. That will be set into the wall. That has been put together utilising our design team to come up with the solution to take the torsion out where it joins the upper floor. Is that all right there for you, Peter? Lovely. And as you can see here, a very large slab with two cutouts quite close to the actual perimeter of the slab as well, meaning there had to be extra reinforcement and again, additional design done to make allowances for that. And as ever, it's lovely to see our Callisto mould has been put together, the Callistos being the feature staircases. The rebar has been put in, the bracing's been put in, ready for the pour. And we're making straight flight stairs on our ski ramps. These are all prepared, they've all been shuttered up and braced. It's very nicely done. In fact, these stairs take us to another level. Well, that's all for today for this week at Milbank. We'll see you for the next one. Thanks for watching.